foil board. Through the pandemic, that became the stock that's like the most hard to get. So what we did is we figured out a way that we buy the foil, we buy the stock, and we send it to a laminator here locally in Los Angeles. He laminates it onto the sheets. We're basically making our own foil board to get us through this, the shortage of the pandemic has caused. As growing up here in Los Angeles, we were all artists, and when the computer became user-friendly, this is going like 1997, around there, the mouse became like an extension of our hands, and we got into graphic design. That's how we started. And through graphic design, designing our images, we needed to print them. So we found local printers, we started saving our files. I think they were called zip drives and jazz drives, and taking them down to the print shop and having them printed. And through that, we started going, well, okay, we were selling our art designs, and then why don't we start getting into printing? We started buying equipment and then became a manufacturer. My two daughters work here, and it's definitely a family business. We also have the guy you met downstairs, Malcolm Chambers, his wife works here. We have our accounts receivable and our accounts payable, their mother-daughter team. One of our drivers and our shipping clerk downstairs is a husband and wife team. We believe in family. We believe in having that family culture here and helping others. And our philosophy too on our customers, it's, we're helping our customers sell their product through amazing packaging, and through that they employ people, help their families. It just goes down the chain. So I think that's the most important thing for us, is our philosophy is just helping others as much as we can. That's all we can do. A lot of these, the people that we work with, a lot of them have never worked, let's just say, on a box die line. And when you look at it flat, not every graphic designer knows how to work art onto a box template or a label template. So they'll send us everything, we'll place it for them and then proof them out that way. And we're probably gonna keep it that way. I think that's something every printer is trying to solve. I just don't think it's possible. Boxes are too customized, too complex to have you could set something up to order like a basic box, maybe, basic sizing, but since all product is different sizes and it has different needs, and, it's too complicated to set it up online. I know someone's gonna figure it out, and that person is gonna be very successful when they do. Printing on foil board it takes a heavy a very talented pre-press team to set up the files to print on foil board. You need a special press with special inks. So not everyone. So that's kind of what separated us from a lot of our competition. Our label manager Yesenia, she's always raving about it. She's like, I can't live without this software, and it's just it streamlined everything for us. We're already starting to implement it into our box in positioning. We're in testing right now, and we figure in the next 6 months it's going to be fully implemented into our pre-press department. Double the price, it costs us double than buying it from a traditional company that sells the foil board, but we're able to keep up with the demand. A customer, right now the wait time's 3 months for foil board. A customer cannot wait 3 months, so we figured it out. We hope other people figure it out, because we want everyone to do well, our customers and also our fellow printers. We've been making labels now, our label department, for 2 years, and we've been making, pre-press for boxes is a totally different animal, and to imposition the labels to run on our label presses, we were a little, actually, a little scared going into it. But with Tilia, in Phoenix, the software, it just streamlined everything, and it's just made it so simple. Our label manager, Yesenia, she's always raving about it. She's like, I can't live without this software, and it's just, it streamlined everything for us. We're already starting to implement it into our box in positioning. We're in testing right now, and we figure in the next 6 months it's going to be fully implemented into our pre-press department. one, that we've had a lot of success in lately, and I know that a lot of the industry is going after, and it's there, is Mylar bags. Flexible packaging is huge. We have a big business in it, and that future looks bright. Well, we're definitely, we always on the forefront of, FSC certifications, printing with soy and vegetable-based inks. We're always trying to do our part. We recycle all of our waste. And in the industries that we serve, cannabis being one of them, there's a huge push for, it's a natural product, it's a plant. And they are looking for, sustainable, biodegradable, eco-friendly products, boxes, labels, Mylar bag packaging. And we're always developing samples, working with all the different paper companies, ink suppliers, and always pushing that forward. The paper companies have also jumped ahead, and we've printed boxes on hemp paper. It's just an uncoated stock. Challenge, you can't put an extra gloss on it or anything. Probably the UV coating would make it eco-friendly anyway, but it's only uncoated stock because it's a natural stock. So that's the only, I guess, the drawback. A lot of growth, a lot of new equipment, just growth. We're about to launch our online ordering website, pacerlabels.com, and we're really excited about that. We're actually launching next week. I've been working on it for 2 years since we got into the label business, and we feel it's going to be a revolutionary site, easy to order. Everything's very simplified on it. So we're looking to really grow our label side of our business and also the box side of our business as the markets that we serve continue to grow.